Today I want to talk about a concept that often sparks a range of emotions in us: change. Now let me start with a story. Imagine a caterpillar nestled in its cocoon. To the outside world it seems dormant, but inside a transformation is underway. This caterpillar is preparing to become something extraordinary, something it was always meant to be, a butterfly. But to do that, it must embrace change. Just like the caterpillar, we too are on a journey of personal growth and development that is fueled by change. You see, change is not just a part of life, it is life. The world around us is constantly evolving. Technology advances, societies shift, and if we remain static, we risk being left behind. But when we embrace change, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. Change is the architect of growth. It's the challenge that pushes us out of our comfort zones, forcing us to adapt, learn, and improve. Without change, there is no innovation, no learning, and no growth. Think about the moments in your life that have defined you. I bet they were moments of change. Maybe it was a new job, moving to a new city, or even overcoming a personal struggle. These moments, while often challenging, are the crucibles where our character is tested and our resilience is forged. Now I understand embracing change is easier said than done. It's human nature to seek comfort and stability. But remember, a ship in harbor is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. We are not meant to stay anchored in one spot. We are meant to sail, to explore, to discover. Let's address the fear associated with change. It's normal to feel uncertain or anxious about the unknown, but what if we reframe our perspective? What if we view change not as a threat, but as an opportunity? An opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of ourselves. Change is the teacher that shows us who we really are. It reveals our strengths, our weaknesses, and our true potential. It's the catalyst that helps us break old habits and develop new ones. It's the force that drives us to pursue our dreams and achieve our goals. In the words of Jim Rohn, your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. So, let's not wait for change to happen to us, let's be the change. Let's actively seek out new experiences, new challenges, and new opportunities for growth. As we embark on this journey of change, let's do so with an open mind and a courageous heart. Let's support each other, learn from each other, and grow together. Because when we embrace change, we unlock our true potential. We become the architects of our destiny, capable of crafting a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. I encourage you all to think of change as a positive force in your life. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. Just like the caterpillar, you have the potential to transform into something beautiful. All it takes is the courage to embrace change and the belief in yourself.